Hello, good day everyone. Let me show you the simplest way to square numbers from 10 to 20 without wasting much time. So what we have here, the first one is 10 squared, meaning 10 times 10. So the simplest way to do that is this. Pay attention. The first number here is 1. Square it, meaning 1 times 1. Multiply it by itself. 1 times 1 is 1. Leave a space for the second number because we are going to obtain 3 numbers. All of this will contain 3 numbers. So leave a space for the next number, then move to the next number, which is 0 here. Multiply it by itself. And we are going to obtain 0 times 0 equals 0. Then the middle number, to obtain the middle number, you say that number plus itself. 0 plus 0 is 0. This is 100. You can get your calculator to confirm all this. So let's move to the next one. It's 11. Take the first number, multiply it by itself. 1 times 1 is 1. Leave a space for the second number. Move to the second number here. Multiply by itself. We have 1. Then the middle number is going to be obtained by adding this number by itself. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have obtained the square of 11, which is 1, 2, 1. Then moving to the next one, which is 12. Take the first number, multiply it by itself. You shall obtain 1. Leave a space. This number, multiply it by itself. 2 times 2 is 4. Then add it to itself. 2 plus 2 is also 4. Therefore, the square of 12 is 144. Move to the next one, 13. Take this first number, multiply it by itself. You get 1. Leave a space for the third number. Take this number, multiply it by itself. 3 times 3 is 9. Then add this number to itself. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the square of 13 is 169. Then moving to the next one. This one you have to pay attention. We start with the first number. 1 times 1 is 1. A space for the third number. But 4 multiplied by itself is 16. So we don't have to give a space because 16 is a 2-digit number. So we have 16 here. Then we take this number, add it to itself. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we are going to add that 8 to the middle number here. So we have 8 here. So altogether we have 196. Moving to the next one is 15. Take 1, multiply by itself, we get 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25. Then add 5 to itself, meaning 5 plus 5 is 10. So we add 10 here. Altogether we have 5, 2, 2. And this is the square of 15. So you can do the rest, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You shall obtain their squares without wasting much time. So thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.